I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you have admin rights and a backup. Open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell. This lets you run Office tools that need elevation. Once done, create a system restore point or export the Office registry branch so you can revert changes. Close Excel and any background Office processes. This prevents locked files. Make sure you know whether your license is retail, Mac, or volume, because the exact steps differ slightly when later removing the installed product key. You now run the Office Software Protection Platform script to identify and remove the key. Navigate to the Office installation folder Office 16 or Office 15 and run cscript osp vbs/d status to list installed product keys and license types. Once you see the target key, run cscript osp vbs/unpay ebgde using the last 5 characters shown to uninstall that key. If Office is click to run, you may need the Office C2R client tool or use programs and features to change/repair the install. Then reboot to finalize the change. Finish by verifying the product key is gone. Rerun cscript osp vbs/d status or open Excel and check the activation/account screen. It should prompt for a product key or show unlicensed status. If the key still appears, remove residual registry entries only after backing up or perform a clean uninstall and reinstall of Office. Make sure licensing services are running and restart the machine. If problems persist, use the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant or Contact Support. They can detect activation conflicts and recommend next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.